If you've developed an application in GTK, you must have encountered the need to attach UI files and icons and CSS themes. On Linux, those files go to /usr directory, but did you know there is a better way to distribute them as resources? In this video, I'll demonstrate it using C++, Git, and CMake. In case you are wondering what resources means, they are treated like normal files but bundled together with your executable program. That means you don't have to worry about managing end users' computer with fancy scripts. All you have to do is build your project and at the most ship that executable alone. So here's a sample GTK MM's application. It displays a hello window and has a menu option that shows about dialog. For this, we need to bundle two types of resources, Glade UI file and an icon file. Since we are using CMake build system, we'll let it do all the hard work of generating XML files and building them with the target project. So first we'll need a CMake extension to actually generate and compile the XML resource files. For this, we'll use CMake as a Git submodule. But before we proceed further, here's the simplified structure of the steps taken. Initialize project with Git. Add Git submodule. Let CMake initialize the submodule. Use CMake extension to build the resources. Finally, build target project. We've already gone over with steps 1 and 2. Now we'll proceed with step 3. This might sound strange because initializing submodule was already done on our site when we executed git submodule add repo. But this won't be the case for someone else cloning your repository later in the future, because that guy has to do two things first before he can actually build your project: clone your repo and init submodule. And the problem with this is sometimes we forget to initialize the submodule first before building and causing build errors on our end. Thus, it's a good idea to let CMake take care of the submodule for us. Here's an awesome online book called An Introduction to Modern CMake. We are specifically interested in submodule section, so scroll down and select that. And another great thing about this section is you can just copy and paste that code on your CMake list. The only portion that needs modifying is the file verification. For this, you can use any file inside your CMake directory. On to step 4. The author of CMake has wrote a very detailed README file, so I won't be explaining much here. If you don't want to bother understanding the technical explanation, you can jump right away to Kickstart section. Basically, it has 4 steps: include CMake module, set all the resource lists, compile the resources, and set resources as dependency for your target project. Finally, this brings us to step 5.